Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with a shadow fade, pointing down to a V today with Miss Sarah. Y'all tap in, man. So I'm gonna start off by doing my first guideline. Watch how I set the guideline. It's not really like a drop fade. It's kind of like, you'll see. So I'm going lever fully open. I'm going shadow. Forming it into a V. As you see, I'm setting the guideline kind of similar towards the back first, bouncing it out. Go halfway right there as I blend piece by piece. Just taking my time with everything. I'm staying consistent with everything. Her husband wants to see how it looks going, smoothing it out from that a little bit higher up top. And then her daughter's gonna walk in, and then actually today she ended up getting her hair cut as well. She went ahead and set the appointment. So that's the 1.5 right there, fully closed. I'm just setting another guideline, just debulking as you see, just staying consistent with it. Now I'm going with the grain. Just slowly blending it piece by piece until I get that smooth transition. Just staying consistent. As you see, I'm using a 1 guard, fully closed. I'm gonna do detail work afterwards to make sure I balance everything out. As you see, it's slowly coming together piece by piece. Very smooth transition. I had to get it on camera. We're gonna form that V back there as you see. Then her daughter's gonna come. That's her daughter and the husband. They went ahead and locked in an appointment for the next day. She really liked the haircut too. Very smooth transition. Y'all follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at BJ's Cuts with 2 Z's, BJS.cuts with 2 Z's. Tap in, man. Look at that blend. You can still see how the trim is hitting too. Yes, sir. As you see, everything is very nice transition. Just like that, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.